Hi everybody, this is Arash and we are solving HackerRank Python preparation challenges. The next one is find a string and it is categorized as easy ones. So let's go for it. This is the challenge. We are going to count occurrences of a substring in a given string, and we are also counting the overlapping findings. So in the right side we can see that the main part is already written for us, and our job is to complete this function, the count substring, which has two parameters, a string and substring. Alright, first of all I'm going to get the length of a string and substring in two variables. So L1 will be equal to length of a string and L2 will be equal to length of substring. Alright, after that we are going to loop through a string and check every possible substring inside it with the length of L2 and check if that specific substring is equal to our parameter or not. So we are this is what we are going to do. For example, consider our string is something like for example A, B, C, D, E, and our substring is equal to our substring is equal to something like A, B, C. This is what we are going to check. We check that how many characters the first string has, which is 5 chars. This is its length, and the second one has 3 chars. So we are going to check every possible 3 characters in a row and check that with substring. The first 3 ones are A, B, C. The second 3 group is B, C, D. The third 3 group is C, D, E, and we are going to continue this, and every time that a group with 3 letters is equal to our substring, we are going to increase our count by 1. So let's comment these 2 lines and come back to our code. I'm going to write a for I in range. This is how we should write it in Python. L1 minus L2 plus 1. L1 minus L2 is because for example, when this our first string has 5 characters and our substring is 3, 5 minus 3 will be equal to 2. This is the count of all possible situations, but we need a plus 1 because the last index in range is not included. As you can see here, we had 3 possible situations, while 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So this is the reason we should add 1 to this. Alright, let's come back here. For I in range L1 minus L2 plus 1, we should check that if that specific substring, which is a string starting from I to I plus L2, if this group is equal to our given substring, we should increase the count by 1. By the way, we should define the count at the beginning of our function. Count is equal to 0. So count every time is incremented by 1, and at the end we should simply return the count. Alright, now these two lines are simply comments, they could be deleted, but let's submit the code and everything is fine. Alright guys, this was Arash. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time.